Comes out pretty easily. Just gotta remove this clip right here. That's all you gotta do. Just press this little knob. Let me get that real quick. Alright, so once I got that little connection off, it's right here. Now you could just take it all the way out. I'm gonna unscrew my shift knob. Keep that in there, I don't want to lose it. And it comes out like this. I'm gonna be replacing the shift boot on here with a custom one. So this is the reason I'm making this video. I bought this thinking it was a shift boot, or I thought it was an actual boot, but it's a shift boot cover. It only was supposed to go on top of my shift knob, and it's not what I thought I was getting. So here I am improvising. All right. So this boot was too small. Here's the boot. The boot is too small. Comes with extra pieces though. So I already took this apart. I'm gonna stitch them together to make a bigger boot that'll fit my 370Z. So I gotta take all of these little stitches out. One at a time. I gotta tear it apart slowly because I want to save the material. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this. Gotta do this side, and then I gotta do this seam too. Two seams. And this is gonna separate into two equal sized pieces. Alright? Alright, so I did my first seam here, as you can see. Holding pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. I gotta attach this part right here, and then I'm going to attach this piece here and make a full circle. Connect it all together at the end. Okay, so I've officially sewn this all together now. I did 2 passes on each stitch. As you can see, I ran it twice. Try to focus here. Ran it twice, and then ran a stitch along the top seam there to help keep it together on each one. Double all the way down everywhere. Alright, so now I'm gonna put them together. Gotta flip it inside out. Alright. Alright, so I actually forgot to mention, on the top part of the boot, obviously I don't want a huge hole, right? So this custom boot cover came with this nice pretty rope here. So I folded the edges and I created a little pocket for the rope. So now whenever I want to go and put the boot on, I could pull it tight and it'll look pretty with these little strings sticking out. So I'll show you guys what that looks like here in a second. So there you have the boot completed. It looks like a little tiny skirt. It's inside out already. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old boot. I'm actually thinking, since this is a normal cloth, I'm gonna try to put it on top of this. That way this is still waterproof, because I don't want any stuff spilling in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure that out real quick. Okay, so on the back, on the bottom, I guess, of the assembly was this panel, and I took it off. It had screws here, 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 and here. There are 6 in total. So what I've been doing is, as I'm lining these edges up and poking these holes, the screw holes I'm also poking through and putting the screw on, just to hold it in place as I try to get these pins poked all the way through, which I haven't done yet on all these other ones. So as you can see here, the screw hole is right there. I will not be able to do what I did here, but at least I was able to use these two to hold the fabric in place while I try to get this set up. So I'm going to try to finish the rest of these and show you what it looks like. So I screwed this back together, 6 screws. It was pretty simple. I got all these pegs through the fabric, as you can see, fabric. And for the reveal, the boot, I'm gonna go install this in my car, tighten it up, see how it looks. Alright, so back in the car, I did my best to make sure that these seams lined up with the stitching. So I didn't really mention that before, but you might want to pay attention to that, because it does look a little bit cleaner. This stitch doesn't matter, but these ones do. These stitches right here line up with that. This one lines up okay with this. And then also make sure that these are pointed forward so that you could tighten them up nicely. That might still not work, but we'll see right now. So straightforward right here. Just got to put that clip back on. And I'm recording this on my phone because I'm a noob and I don't have a tripod or nothing yet. But just clip this bitch back on right here. Clip, clip, clip. Please. That's all. Just one clip. 370Z, I love you. You guys are very easy. At least at this stage. Click, click, click. Yeah, I thought a wild animal was gonna attack me. My dog just scared the crap out of me. Okay. I'm gonna put that ring back on there. Screw my shifter back on. And I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble tightening this up on camera. So I'm going to do it off camera real quick here. Or maybe I'll do this. Off camera. Alright, that's what she looks like. Nice. Still waterproof. It's got the leather underneath. You guys are wondering why I picked this pattern. I have goldfish and I love my goldfish, so felt like it was the right choice. Short throw shifter, huge knob. This is actually this was the first thing I did when I got this car was upgrade that knob. Well, I didn't really upgrade it, I guess. This is the one that was on there before. I think this one's probably better quality. But on this car, the gears are kind of hard to get into. This just makes it so much easier for some reason. But anyway, that's the custom shift boot. See what I do next. I'm thinking something along the lines of changing this up and maybe changing this up right here. We'll see. JDM as fuck, bro. It's so hot. I'm sweating. It's so hot. A little bit of bonus footage here. My inspiration. They're hungry. Hikari Gold. Bonus footage. Bonus. More bonus footage. Hi Helsinki. You scared me. Other dog. Hey guys. Say hi. Say hello. Bloop 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 bloop. Later. Bonus footage part 2. This is the sewing machine that I used. Little $25 sewing machine I got on Amazon. Or $45, but that's what I used. I know someone's gonna ask. But yep, got it today and did it today. So it was pretty easy learning curve. So I never thought I'd be doing this, but here I am.